Her son kept staring at the cupcakes displayed tantalizingly in the cafe, his eyes shining with desire while the waiter pretended not to see the longing in the boy's gaze, unaware that a curious woman nearby noticed everything unfolding at the table. Caught in the moment, the boy's enthusiasm for the sweets was palpable as he leaned closer, completely unaware that a kind-hearted woman at the next table was watching him, contemplating whether to intervene and transform his longing into delight. With a gentle gesture, the woman leaned toward the boy, sharing a warm smile and subtly inviting him to join in the cupcake experience, a small act of kindness that contrasted sharply with the waiter's dismissive demeanor. Overcome with excitement and disbelief, the boy's face lit up as he accepted the cupcake from the woman's outstretched hand. A moment of pure joy blossoming in the cozy cafe atmosphere, while the waiter remained completely unaware of the heartfelt connection unfolding right before him. As the boy savored the cupcake's sweetness, he couldn't help but let out a giggle, frosting decorating his face while the woman observed him with joy, reveling in the beauty of a shared experience that transformed a simple act into a delightful memory. In a burst of joy, the boy held his cupcake up high, showcasing it like a trophy, his smile reflecting the magic of the moment as the cozy ambiance of the cafe enveloped them both in warmth and connection. With a hearty laugh, the woman mirrored the boy's excitement, their shared joy lighting up the cafe and drawing the attention of amused onlookers as the spirit of camaraderie filled the air. Seated together at a small cafe table, the boy and the woman animatedly chatted, their laughter mingling with the sounds of clinking cups as the sunlight streamed in through the window, creating a perfect backdrop for their newfound friendship. With excitement bubbling over, the boy animatedly shared his cupcake, baking dreams, his hands flying through the air while the woman leaned in closer, completely engaged, encouraging his passion with every word she listened to. Moments later, the boy stood confidently behind the counter of his very own bakery, showcasing an array of vibrant cupcakes that delighted the eager customers who gathered around, all captivated by the sweet creations born from his dream. Now a young entrepreneur. The boy grinned widely as he handed a cupcake to a beaming child, spreading joy in every corner of the bakery, where colorful decorations and cheerful artwork wrapped around the walls, embodying the spirit of his sweet venture. During the grand opening of his bakery, the boy held a cupcake high above his head, beaming with pride as colorful balloons swayed above the crowd, while eager customers lined up, each one ready to celebrate his accomplishment with a delicious treat. Bending down to speak with a shy little girl clutching her cupcake, the boy shared a moment of connection that warmed the hearts of everyone around, while in the kitchen he focused intently on frosting cupcakes, aided by his friends who were cheering him on. With unwavering focus, the boy expertly decorated a batch of freshly baked cupcakes, his determination shining through while the warm sunlight poured in through the windows, casting a delightful glow over the colorful treats that surrounded him. With a sprinkle of colorful toppings, the boy added the final touch to a perfectly frosted cupcake, reflecting his creativity and passion, while the display case showcased an array of unique flavors that beckoned customers to indulge in their sweet fantasies. Standing side by side with a local cupcake judge, the boy flashed a big smile as they inspected a cupcake for the upcoming competition, while colorful banners in the background announced the exciting event, igniting a sense of friendly rivalry among participants. Backstage, the boy adjusted his tie nervously amidst fellow contestants bustling about, each one fervently preparing their own cupcakes, while a magnificent trophy gleamed on a nearby table, representing the ultimate prize for the victor of the competition. As the competition kicked off, a vibrant array of cupcakes adorned a long table, while judges meticulously tasted each creation, their focused expressions captivating the audience. And the boy's hopeful yet anxious gaze revealed the weight of the moment as his masterpiece was put to the test. With plates of colorful cupcakes before them, the judges engaged in an intense deliberation, assessing the artistic flair and flavors, while the boy nervously stood at the edge of the stage, fidgeting with his hands, anxiously awaiting their decision. As the announcer approached the microphone, a beaming smile lit up his face, intensifying the suspense swirling in the air before announcing the winner. While the crowd erupted in cheers and applause, their enthusiastic energy showcasing the vibrant, competitive spirit of the cupcake contest. When his name echoed through the crowd, the boy's face illuminated with pure joy, hands lifted in excitement as he stepped forward to claim the trophy, while friends and family hurried to embrace him, enveloping him in hugs and cheers that celebrated his remarkable victory. With the trophy held high, the boy radiated pride as he stood amidst friends and family, their beaming smiles reflecting the joy of his accomplishment, while a close-up of the glistening trophy revealed the engraved words, "Cupcake Champion," a testament to his relentless dedication and creativity.